What if your language model needs a different API endpoint than the standard chat interface? You'll see how to configure DSPy with model type equals responses, a single parameter that switches the connection to use the responses API. The rest of the setup stays identical, just with this one key change.
Import DSPy. Hash configure DSPy to use the responses API for your language model. DSPy configure. LM equals DSPy, LM. OpenEye/GPT-5 mini. Model type equals responses. Temperature equals 1, 0. Max tokens equals 16,000.
This demonstrates DSPy's language model configuration pattern, where you explicitly declare both the model provider and its operational parameters in a single setup block. The code shows a specific initialization that includes the model type equals, responses, parameter, which distinguishes this from standard chat completion configurations. This pattern centralizes all model interaction settings before they're applied globally. The approach works by creating a configured LM instance with all necessary parameters, then passing it to DSPy's global configuration system. The model type specification explicitly selects an alternative API pathway, while parameters like temperature and max tokens define the model's behavior constraints. This creates a clean separation between configuration and usage, with all model-specific settings established up front. This configuration pattern matters because it establishes a predictable, maintainable foundation for all subsequent model interactions. By consolidating settings like API endpoints and generation parameters in one location, you ensure consistent behavior throughout your application. The explicit responses model type indicates this setup targets a specialized interface, though the actual capabilities would depend on the specific model being used. Let's break it down line by line.
Import DSPy.
Imports DSPy, the core library for defining and executing programs with language models. This is the entry point for all DSPy functionality.
Hash configure DSPy to use the responses API for your language model. DSPy configure.
This initializes DSPy's configuration block, where we specify the language model settings. The actual parameters like model type and temperature will be defined in the following lines.
LM equals DSPy, LM.
Instantiates the LM class to configure language model parameters. This object will store the model settings being defined in the subsequent lines.
OpenEye/GPT-5 mini.
This specifies the exact model identifier for DSPy's language model configuration. The string OpenEye/GPT-5 mini directly selects which model variant will process all subsequent DSPy operations in this session.
Model type equals responses.
Sets the language model to use DSPy's responses API mode, which changes how raw model outputs are processed. This single parameter determines the API interface for all subsequent predictions.
Temperature equals 1, 0.
Controls output randomness with a temperature of 1, making token selection fully probabilistic. Higher values like this increase creativity, but reduce consistency, while lower values would make responses more deterministic. This is a core LM parameter that directly affects response variability.
Max tokens equals 16,000.
Sets the maximum token limit to 16,000 for each language model response, preventing excessively long outputs. This hard cap ensures predictable response sizes and helps manage API costs. DSPy LM configuration. This code initializes DSPy with a specific language model using DSPy configure. explicitly setting model type equals responses to route requests through the responses API rather than default chat completions. The temperature and max tokens parameters are fixed at runtime, which may limit flexibility if different prompts require adjusted generation behavior. Always ensure your API key environment variable matches the provider specified in the LM configuration to prevent silent connection failures.
The listener that hears no tokens streams the entire answer.